G'day world, welcome to the beginning of a unique journey. You've just stumbled upon something truly special. The channel Riri and Iggy, reading the Bible for beginners. Now we understand that the Bible, with its rich history and profound lessons, can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming for those embarking on the journey of reading it for the first time. But fear not, this channel is a friendly, welcoming space designed with you in mind. We are here to guide you through the complexities, to illuminate the darker corners, and to bring the vibrant stories to life. Our goal is to make the Bible accessible, enjoyable, and deeply meaningful for everyone. So whether you've been curious about the Bible for a long time, or you've just recently felt the pull towards exploring its pages, you've come to the right place. Step into the light as we unravel the mysteries of the Bible together. So, why a channel about reading the Bible, you might ask? Well, the answer is simple yet profound. We live in an era where information is abundant, but understanding can sometimes be scarce. The Bible, a rich tapestry of narratives, wisdom, and teachings, can often seem daunting to the uninitiated. This is where Riri and Iggy, reading the Bible for beginners, steps in. Our purpose? To make the Bible accessible and relatable to everyone, no matter where you come from or how much you already know. We aim to peel back the layers of ancient texts and present them in a way that's engaging, approachable, and meaningful. We understand the importance of creating a non-judgmental, welcoming environment where everyone can learn, discuss, and discover at their own pace. We're not about preaching, we're about connecting, learning, and growing together. Our mission? To illuminate the Bible for you, making it less of an enigma and more of an enlightening companion. But what can you actually expect from us, Riri and Iggy? Well, let's dive right into it, shall we? In this channel, we'll be serving up easy-to-understand breakdowns of Bible passages. Think of it as your personal guide through the complex and often misunderstood verses of the Bible. We'll take the confusion out of the text and present it in a way that's accessible and relatable to everyone. But that's not all. We'll also explore the historical and cultural context of the Bible. Understanding the world in which the Bible was written can shed new light on its messages and teachings. It's like having a time machine to the past. And of course, we'll engage in discussions about its relevance today. Yes, even in our fast-paced modern world, the Bible still has wisdom to offer. We'll help you connect the dots and apply its teachings to your everyday life. We promise it's going to be a riveting journey, one chapter at a time. Now that you know what we're about, we have one last thing to say. We'd love for you to become a part of our community. Subscribe to our channel, join in the conversation, and share your insights. Your questions, thoughts, and reflections will enrich this journey we're embarking on. Let's make this exploration of the Bible a shared experience, one that enlightens us all and brings us closer. Join us as we turn the pages of the Bible together. Before we wrap up this introduction, we want to extend our heartfelt gratitude for your time and attention. We're brimming with excitement as we embark on this enlightening journey together, exploring the profound wisdom of the Bible. Your curiosity and open mind are what fuel this adventure. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. We're thrilled to take this step with you. Until next time, take care.